Okay. That's a great sign that you are attempting the homework and sending it to me. That's a very good thing. So let me share my screen with you. Just a second here. Give me a moment. Is my screen visible now?
Yes.
Just a second. Let me share it again. Yeah. Just give me a moment here.
Okay.
So Simrat, in the last class, what we have done here, we have identified the quadrants. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So just let me take some more examples and then we have one more topic to cover here, which is basically image formation. So it's a very easy topic. Just a second. So it will be like, I hope that it will be completed in this class itself, all the type of numericals also. So you will be having only linear equation and triangles. Have you got any other confirmed chapter yet from your school?
Lines and angles.
Lines and that's a very easy chapter. Just a second, allow me a moment. Really, NCRT has very low level questions. What is the x coordinate name, dear? Can you tell me?
Abscissa.
Abscissa. So one more thing. What is basically what is the name of the x and y plane? I told you in the first class.
Cartesian plane.
Cartesian plane. Yes,
Cartesian plane.
Cartesian plane. Yes, very good. Just a second. Yes, now let me tell you let me take a snip of this example. I've got a little bit some, you can say, a good question, you can say. Now, Simrat, do you know what is the area of triangle formula?
Area of triangle.
Yes. Yes, dear. Do you know?
No.
No. Okay. I will tell you. No need to worry about it. Okay. If I give you 5 minutes to solve this question, will you give it a try?
Okay.
Because this question is the same, like you have to write down the coordinates only. So that's why I thought that I should give you at least a try so that you can understand how to basically just give me a second. Is my screen visible?
It's very small.
Just a second. Now tell me, dear, is this visible now?
Yes.
Is this visible? So let me
Yes.
zoom it a little. Now I think it's visible. And let me
Yes.
zoom it once here. Is this clear? So now,
Yes.
Simrat, like the question is saying that all the basically this is the type of graph, not graph, you can say some plot, something has been plotted on this. Okay,
Hmm.
sorry, actually I have switched off my camera, I don't know. So in this thing, you have to basically find out the coordinates. You have to write down the value of coordinates. Now let me give you first thing. This is the first part is saying that right coordinates of B, which means that let B point is here. So what is the value of x-axis? If I this is the origin, B is here 1, 2, 3. This is the 5 point. And what is the value of y coordinate of B? Plus of 2. So this is the point here, which means that it is -5, 2. Can you write it down?
Yes.
Okay, try.
Okay.
Simrat, if this is not visible, I can zoom it a little bit more. Can I
Okay.
zoom it a little bit?
Yes.
Okay, just a second. Now clear?
Yes.
Now clear, I think.
Yes, yes.
Okay, very good. Let me take some more examples from the coordinate geometry so that you can have a very good. Simran, do you have elementary mathematics or standard mathematics? Is there any type of classification in your school as well?
Yes, it's basic and standard.
So which one you have, basic or standard?
I'm gonna take standard.
Uh, you are going to take standard, which means that mathematics higher than NCRT.
Yes.
Very good, very good. So, so you have opted that, or you will opt that?
I have to submit it tomorrow, so I'm gonna opt today.
Okay, 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 dear. That's great. No issues, no issues. Just okay.
So, mm. Sir,
Yes, Krishnamrat, yes, dear.
the fourth question, it says coordinates of point L.
Coordinate of point L. Yes.
There is no L.
How is it possible? Just give me a moment. There is L, dear. Here is
Oh,
the L.
okay.
There is the L, na?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's great. Solve it. I've got one more question. Let me write it down. Because if you are going to take the standard, so and some a little bit tricky questions will be also there in the school exams apart from NCRT.
Okay.
Okay, Simrat, do one thing,
Can
Simrat, as well.
you go down?
Yes, yes, dear.
I
M
said,
point.
could you scroll down a little?
Yes, yes, yes. Is this visible? M point is
Yes,
here.
yes. Yes. Okay, thank
So Simrat, do you have RD Sharma book?
you. Yes.
Very good. Try to solve the questions of RD Sharma as well, dear, before the exams.
Okay.
Okay. Because RD Sharma is a very good book for the school point of view.
Okay.
Yeah, very good. Because very basic question are there only in NCRT. So NCRT is not like you can say will be sufficient for the school exam. So that's why I will suggest that you should like solve the basically the RD Sharma questions.
Yes. I think I'm finished.
You're done. That's great. Just give me a
Yes.
moment
Okay.
because I'm searching some RD Sharma questions for you so that we can solve them also. Just a minute. If you're done, do the next question because I've like this class will only be I've dedicated this class only for numericals because coordinate geometry has numerical.
Okay.
Okay. Let me coordinate geometry. Yes, like this. So Simrat, if the points is given to you, can you basically plot them on the graph? Okay,
I
okay, we
can
will take
try.
this. We will take this question as well. Okay, no need to worry about it. Because at this point of time, I don't have specific graphs, so it would be a little bit messy. So we'll manage on the same notebook as on it.
Okay. I didn't understand the second question.
You didn't understand the second question, dear. Now, this question is asking basically which points will lie on x-axis only, which means that those points which are lying only x-axis, the coordinate, basically the value of y will be 0. So,
Okay.
got it?
Yes, okay.
If the same kind of question can be there, it could be for y-axis as well. They will ask that which point will lie on the y-axis.
Okay.
Okay, solve it. Let me search some and see RD Sharma questions. Oh, actually, I don't have the RD book right now with me. Like basically, I have 10th RD with me. So that's very okay. So is this clear, dear?
Yes.
Okay. So now, Simrat, let's write down the answer. Which like have you done it right or wrong?
Yes.
Okay. Very good. So just a second. Yeah. So basically, so this is saying that, and the point B I have told you here. Okay. The question is saying that point C, and where is point C? Point C is here. So it is 5 in the x-axis direction
And minus
and
5 in
minus
the
5 in the y direction. 5 comma minus 5. Always x is written first.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Very good. Next term. The point identified by the coordinates minus 3 comma minus 5. Now tell me what is the name of this point? I think you have missed that.
Yeah, I missed the question.
Very, very clever. E point here, 0, minus 3 in this direction, and 0.5 minus 5 in this direction. So E point is there, na?
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Done?
Yes.
Very good. The point identified by the coordinates 2 comma minus 4.
G.
Where is G point? 2 comma minus 4. Very good. Point abscissa of point D.
6.
Abscissa of point D, point D. Very good. Very good. The ordinate of point H.
Minus 3.
Very good. Very good. L. Coordinates of L.
1 minute. 5.
What 5 what? X or Y?
5
What is the 5? What is the value of X?
5.
5. What is the value of y?
0.
0. Wrong. It is 0, 5. Simrat, dear, tell me, this is origin. Is there any step in the direction of s? It is only going forward in the direction of y only.
Oh, yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
The coordinates of point M.
-3, -5.
No. No. M is only M is this point, right here. Is there any deflection in y-axis in the upward corner or on the downward corner? M is on the directly on x-axis, so it would be only -0, -3, 0.
Oh, okay.
Is this clear?
Yes, yes.
So, Simran, tell me this kind of question here. If there is, you have 1, 1, b is equals to 1, 0. Now tell me which points are lying only on x-axis, which means that the ordinate will be 0.
Uh, B.
Or b point, okay.
D.
D,
Yeah.
okay.
E.
E,
And G.
very good. Very good, dear. Very good. That's very good. Just a second. Symmetry. Okay, so I have one question here. Just basically plotting of graph type. Yes, Simran, this is a question here. Yes, Simran. So this is the kind of question basically in that question. So you have to plot the points. So let's take x-axis and y-axis here.
uh,
Okay, so this is our Cartesian plane. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So this is our y, this is our x, this is our x dash, and this is our y of dash. So Simrat, now it is saying, suppose let me write down some points here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because there is no negative, so I'm not going to mark the negative as okay. So some questions can have negative as well. So at this point of time, I'm just right. The question has only positive, so I'm taking positive only. Got it?
Okay.
So now Simran, 2, 0. What is the point of A? 2, 0. Where should it lie?
On x-axis.
On x-axis, this is the 2, 0 is the y-axis, which means that it is the point A.
Yes.
2, 2. So if the value of x-axis is 2, which is already here, and value of ordinate is y, which means that this will be the point
Yes.
B point 2, 2, and
Yes.
C point is 0, 2. Where will be the point here?
On
This is the
the
0
origin.
on the y-axis. 1 and 2. Ordinate is 2 now.
Okay.
So this is the point C. Now, if we add these lines, the question is saying that add these lines. And identify which figure is it. So now, Simrat, tell me which figure is it basically forming?
Rectangle. Square.
Square now. 2 is the value of side. This is also 2. This is also 2. So it is
Yes.
square. What is the area of square here? What is the formula of area of square?
Side into side.
Very good. Area of square is A square, A into A basically. Now, Simrat, now tell me what is the value of this side? You can take any of the side now. What is the value of this side basically?
What?
What is the value of this side? What is the unit? What is the magnitude? How much it is long?
2.
Very good. 2.
2 units.
2 units. And what is the units of this side? Dimension?
2.
2. It is 4 square
4.
units. Have you got this point?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Very good. So these are the questions which are there in the coordinate geometry. Simrat, one more thing there. Now tell me, if I have to make image of this point, what will be the image there? Image. Like suppose I am sitting here, but camera is showing me this way. Have you seen the mirror now? You are standing in the mirror and you are facing this and mirror is facing this. So there is an image now in the mirror.
Yes.
So can you tell me this image of this point?
Square.
No, square. I'm talking about the value of this point, image of value of this point. So it is the invert of this. So if this is a mirror, suppose this is a mirror. So value, the image will be here now.
Yes.
Yes or no? Minus
Yes.
1 here, minus 2 here, minus 3 here, and minus 4 here. Yes or no, Simrat?
Yes.
Suppose here, if you are standing here and then basically the mirror is placed here, the image formation will be this side. Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. Just let me take this thing here. Yes, dear. So now tell me, Simrat, what is the value of x here? Is this positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. Positive.
O of x.
Of x, I'm asking about, this is the point D, suppose. It would be 2. But
2.
the y will
Minus
change. Image.
Minus 3.
Got it? How to find image?
Yes. Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Now this point has 2 images. How? Tell me how. Suppose this is also mirror. So image of this point is this as well. Yes or no?
Yes.
And this is also mirror. So image will be here as well. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, na?
Yes.
Very good. So the value will be -2 or -2. Yes or no? Because
Yes.
in this direction, x is changing, y is as it is. Now, similarly,
Yes.
this point also has two images. One is this and one is here.
Yes.
You can see that
Mm.
this point is suppose E. This is F. So what is the value here? Is x changing?
No, y is changing.
Y is changing, -2, 2. Now, dear, tell me, is it possible to find out the images if same kind of question appears in your exam or anywhere? Will you be able to solve it?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes. It's easy.
It's easy enough how to find. Just draw the Cartesian plane and point the figure, and then you just have to treat these x's as mirrors. Got
Yes.
it? Any doubt?
Yes. No. It's
No.
easy.
Very good. It's easy enough. Very good. Very good. So let's take some. So this is the first type of area type question. Yes.
Yes.
Very good. Yeah. So let's take one more example here. Similar, can you do me a favor for me? Can you please? So if you
Yes.
have RD Sharma, so can you send some pictures of RD Sharma questions so that we can try them, because I don't have at this point of time, I don't have the NCRT hard copy. So, and it is
Okay,
very
but I have
difficult.
the old RD Sharma.
I just want coordinate geometry. Some
Okay.
questions
It's
from not whole coordinate geometry, some questions, some specific pages basically.
okay.
Okay. Yes or no? In the next
Yes.
class,
Yes.
we will try some of the question and then we will start the lines and angles.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Or do we need to start linear algebra? Whatever you will say, we will start that. Which one you would like to start?
Linear equations.
Okay, linear. We will start linear equations. Then we will start linear lines and angles.
Yes.
Linear equation, very easy topic. Very easy topic. Okay. So here it is. Just a second. So it is a Cartesian plane here. Let me write down the points. Suppose this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2. Suppose there is a point here, you can say, yeah. Suppose this is a point A. This is a point C, and this is a point B. Okay. Now, Simran, tell me what is the distance of origin of point B? Point B is this.
3 units.
3 units. What is the distance of point A from the origin?
3 units.
What is the distance of point C?
3 units.
3 units, basically. Negative is negative is nothing but below the axis. The distance would be same. The magnitude of distance would be same. Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. So if we join these points, now Simran, tell me which figure you are going to identify it is. Which figure is it?
Triangle.
Triangle. Yes. So basically, dear, area, just a second, let me. So yes, let me write it here. So area triangle is half into base into height. If you have to find out the height, if you have to find the height of the or basically area of the triangle, so this is the formula.
Okay.
Yes or no? One more
Yes.
thing. This is the general area triangle formula, and if you have to find the area of equilateral triangle, it would be root 3/4 a square.
Huh?
Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Just a second. Yeah. So let's take this example. So if we have to find out the basically the area, so how do we find out it? How do we find them out? So dear, tell me. Now suppose this is our triangle. So what will be the base? Base will be this, the distance between B and C. Yes or no, Simran? Yes.
Yes.
So what is the value of base here? How many units are there?
3.
B to C, only 3 units are there.
B to C 6 units.
B to C 6 units. B to O is 3 and O to C is 3. So 3 plus 3,
3.
3 and 3, it would be 6. So
6.
base is equals to 6 units. Yes or no? Now we have to find the
Yes.
height. Now Simran, now dear, tell me, this is the height. This is the height. Yes or no? Base is this, so this would be height. Yes or no?
Yes.
What will be the value of what is the base? What is the height of a triangle in units?
3.
Very good. 3. So now putting them in the formula, area of angle is equals to half base into height. Value of
Yes.
this is half. Base is 6, height is 3. So 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So it is 9 square units. Is this clear, Simrat?
Yes.
Is there any doubt?
No.
Sure.
Yes.
Like if you have some kind of questions here in front of you regarding area of the triangle or area of the figure, will you be able to solve it?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay, because and I suppose that RD has these kind of question. So if you send some screenshot or some pics of that question, so it would be very helpful so that we can say we can practice them in the class. Okay, of coordinate geometry. Okay, so that we can find out which one is appropriate for solving. I know there are numerous
Okay.
questions in RD Shoma. Yeah, okay. So let's take one more thing here. I have one more example for you. Now, Simran, if let me take this question. Is this clear, Simran? How to find out the area of a figure by plotting points?
Yes.
How to plot the points?
Yes.
How to find out the figure?
Yes.
Very good. Isn't it easy?
Yes, it is.
It's like I told you that math is fun. If you play with maths, math will allow you to play with it. Is it?
Yes.
Yeah. I hope that you are that you are fond of mathematics now. A little bit, at least a little bit.
Yeah.
A little bit or more little bit. Be
No, a
honest.
little bit.
Okay, that's great.
A little bit.
A little bit or more little bit. Just I think you are still confused about it.
Little bit.
Little bit. Still, you are not fond of mathematics.
Yes.
Okay, no issues. You will like the mathematics definitely. When we will move forward in this session, then I'm sure that you will like the mathematics. Okay, you will play with mathematics a lot. Okay, so basically, dear, the question is saying that find the value of x if two ordered pair are there. So can you tell me, dear, how to find out the value of x and y? Like, just tell me the approach you would like to follow. Yes, here. Right? What happened? Okay, so let me give you some hint. If the order pair are equal, can we equate the value of x and y? Can we equate x-axis of this pair and x-axis of this pair? It's already said the ordered pairs are equal.
My Wi-Fi stopped when you. No, my
Okay,
Wi-Fi stopped when you were explaining the question, so I don't know what
okay,
happened.
okay, no issues. I am saying that two pairs are equal. So how to find out the value of x and y?
Multiplication.
No multiplication. Now, Simrat, tell me. If it's saying that the value is equal, the ordered pair equal, can you equate the x-axis of this term and x-axis of this term, y-axis of this term and y-axis of this term? X minus 3 is equals to 4. Is this right or wrong?
I don't know.
Okay. So whenever the two pairs are equal, so we can equate the coordinate of that basically of those ordered pairs. We can only equate
Okay.
x-axis to x-axis, y-axis to y-axis. Got it? So here x minus 3 is the x-axis. In this term, 4 is the x-axis. So we can equate them because the question is saying that are equal. Okay. Next thing. Minus 6, y of this is minus 6 and y of this is x plus y. So x plus y is equals to minus 6. Now, Simrat, tell me, can you get the value of x from here? Simrat, are you there? I think your Wi-Fi again has stopped. Simrat, are you there? I think, Simrat, you are having internet issues right now.
Yeah, I'm back.
Yeah, that's great. You're back. I'm saying that, dear, if you are, can you get the value of x from this point, from this equation? Just take 3 on this side. You will get the value of x.
Right, yes. Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Now we have got the value of x. So what we need to get the value of y? If we get the value of x,
Yes.
what we need to do? Yes, dear, tell me. Put this value of x here to get value of y.
Y. Okay.
Okay. 7 plus y is equals to minus 6. So y will be equals to minus 6 minus 7, which is equals to minus 13. So x and y are you can say
7.
in bracket it is 7 comma minus 13. Is this clear, Simrat, to you, dear?
Yes.
Any doubt?
Yes. It's easy. No,
I
it's
know,
easy.
yes, it's easy. It's a new concept, you can say. So basically, this is the type of question you can get in the school exam as well. Because, like it's not in NCRT. This is not an NCRT concept, but I thought if you are taking standard, so this question can be there as well. But you just have to nothing, but you just have to equate the coordinates of each other, of each pairs. Any doubt?
Okay. No.
Sure. Have you written it
Yes.
down?
Yes.
Complete.
Yes.
So dear, almost at this point of time, the number of questions, the variety of questions which can be there in this chapter are already covered. So next time in the next class, when you will before it's today is Wednesday, so next class will be on Sunday. Yes or no?
Sunday.
So in Sunday,
Yes.
what is before Sunday, you can send the screenshots of that so that I can find out the appropriate questions for you from the RD Sharma. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so after that, we will do some more numericals from RD Sharma and then we will start the linear equation. In the starting 15 minutes or 20 minutes, we will be doing only coordinate geometry. Then we will start the linear equation. Yes or no? Simrat, are you there?
Yes.
So in linear equation in two
Yes.
variables. So this is a very easy chapter. No need to worry about it.
Yes.
Okay. Just only I think just give me a moment how basically solution of prime linear equation is also there. I don't know why your school is not sending the syllabus to you. Like school is not confirmed yet. That's a very rare thing.
Okay.
Yeah, like most of the school have decided like finalize their syllabus, but still your school is not confirmed yet. So that's a very rare thing. But still, we hope that
Yes.
we will be covering all the maximum chapter we can cover before your school exams. Like suppose I think that 9 chapters will be there in your school exams.
What?
How many chapters will be there in the mathematics in the school exam midterm?
8 or
Yes, 8.
8 or 9.
8 or 9.
8 or 9.
So we will try to cover at least 6 chapters before your exams. 6 to 7. Because already we have done the Euclid's, we have done the number system, and we have done with the coordinate geometry. So 3 chapters has been completed completely with numericals, every type of numericals which can be there.
Yes.
So Simrat, this is your responsibility
Yes.
now to solve the NCRT each and every question, even examples as well.
Okay.
Will you do it, Simrat?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Very good. So suppose on one day you take NCRT book and solve the number system questions. Another day, take the Euclid's geometry from RD Sharma because I've solved the NCRT with you in the class itself. Okay. So NCRT is covered in the class itself. So you can take some questions from RD Sharma. Okay. And take one chapter of coordinate, one chapter of coordinate geometry. Suppose that tomorrow you take coordinate geometry. So solve coordinate geometry questions first from NCRT example and NCERT questions, and then RD Sharma.
Yes.
Okay, sure.
Yes.
Will you do that?
Yes.
And if there is any doubt, let me know. I'm there. If ask that doubt in this class, write it
I'll ask
down.
you.
Yes. Simran, are you saying something? Simran, are you there?
Yes.
I'm saying that if there is any doubt in any of the topic from RD, NCERT, so I'm there in the class, write it down in your notebook and let me know in the class whenever we'll be having our class.
Okay.
Okay, sure. Will you do that?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So dear, let's end this class here. So we are done with the 3 chapters. That's a very great thing that you are like your speed